Investing in cryptocurrencies can be a profitable venture if approached strategically. With the power of artificial intelligence, AI, you can gain valuable insights, automate decision-making, and build a diversified crypto portfolio. But the key question remains: how do you choose the right cryptocurrencies to invest in? Let's break it down with the help of AI tools. Step 1. Research and evaluate cryptocurrencies using AI tools. The first step in choosing cryptocurrencies to invest in is doing your research. AI-powered tools can help streamline the process, offering data-driven insights and analysis. Here are some key AI tools you can use to evaluate cryptocurrencies. 1. Token Metrics. Token Metrics is a powerful AI-driven platform designed to analyze and predict cryptocurrency market movements. This tool uses machine learning and historical data to rank cryptocurrencies based on their long-term potential. Key features of Token Metrics. 1. Market Sentiment Analysis. Token Metrics uses AI to analyze market sentiment and give predictions on which coins are likely to increase in value. 2. Fundamental Analysis. The platform offers a comprehensive analysis of the coin's fundamentals, such as its market cap, team, and use case. 3. AI-powered recommendations. Get personalized recommendations based on your risk profile and investment goals. How to use Token Metrics for crypto selection. 1. Sign up for Token Metrics and start by exploring the Crypto Screener tool to identify coins based on market trends and growth potential. 2. Use the Price Prediction feature to see potential future trends for specific coins, helping you make more informed decisions. 2. Glassnode. Glassnode is a well-known blockchain data platform that uses on-chain analytics to provide insights into market sentiment, liquidity, and network health. Key features of Glassnode. 1. On-chain analysis. Glassnode uses data from blockchains to help investors assess the health of a cryptocurrency. 2. Market indicators. The platform offers metrics like active addresses, transaction volumes, and hash rates to assess the growth of the crypto market. How to use Glassnode for crypto selection. 1. Use Glassnode's Market Insights to track the flow of funds, wallet addresses, and transaction volumes of specific cryptocurrencies. 2. Identify trends by comparing coins with strong on-chain activity and growing user engagement, indicating a healthy market. 3. Into the Block. Into the Block leverages AI and machine learning to provide actionable insights into the cryptocurrency market. Key features of Into the Block. 1. Sentiment analysis. The platform uses AI to assess the sentiment around different cryptocurrencies by tracking news and social media. 2. Market behavior. It provides insights into buying and selling patterns, making it easier to detect bullish or bearish trends. 3. AI-powered price forecasts. Into the Block also uses machine learning to predict the future prices of assets based on historical performance. How to use Into the Block for crypto selection. 1. Analyze market sentiment to gauge investor interest in specific cryptocurrencies. 2. Use the in, out of the money indicator to assess if a cryptocurrency is trending upwards or downwards, helping you predict price movements. 4. CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap for real-time market data. While CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap are not strictly AI tools, they do provide valuable market data that you can combine with AI insights to make better decisions. These platforms track the price, trading volume, market cap, and historical data of thousands of cryptocurrencies. How to use CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. 1. Use these platforms to track real-time market data and integrate this with AI-driven analysis from tools like Token Metrics or Glassnode for a comprehensive view. 2. Look at historical price data, circulating supply, and other key metrics to identify growth opportunities. Step 2. Build your crypto portfolio using AI tools. Once you have used the AI tools to research and select cryptocurrencies, the next step is to build a diversified crypto portfolio. Here's how AI can help you optimize your portfolio. 1. Portfolio allocation. Using AI-based robo-advisors. Just like with traditional investments, it's essential to diversify your crypto portfolio to reduce risk. Robo-advisors like Wealthfront and Betterment are designed to help you automatically balance your investments based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Crypto robo-advisors are starting to emerge as well. Platforms like Shapeshift and Rebalancer are using AI to optimize crypto portfolios for maximum returns and minimal risk. How to use robo-advisors for crypto portfolio allocation. 1. Set your investment goals, e.g., growth, income, etc., and risk tolerance on the robo-advisor platform. 2. The AI tool will recommend an optimal mix of crypto assets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, based on the historical performance of those assets. 3. The tool will also suggest periodic portfolio rebalancing to adjust your portfolio according to market conditions. 2. AI-powered portfolio management tools for active crypto investors. AI-powered portfolio management tools like Aladdin by BlackRock and Wealthfront can help in real time by providing continuous tracking and rebalancing of your investments. How to use portfolio management tools. 1. Use tools that allow you to set automatic trading rules based on AI recommendations. 2. The tools track your portfolio's performance, compare it to benchmarks, and adjust your allocations when necessary. 3. Many platforms will use machine learning to predict future movements and suggest portfolio adjustments based on market signals. 3. AI for risk management. Portfolio stress testing AI can be particularly useful when it comes to understanding the risk levels of your crypto portfolio. Tools like BlackRock's Aladdin and Riskalyze help assess the potential downside and stress test your portfolio against market volatility. How to use AI for risk management. 1. Run stress tests to simulate different market scenarios, e.g., sudden price crashes or sharp gains. 2. Use the insights to adjust your portfolio's allocations, ensuring that you're properly hedged against high volatility and risk. 3. Many AI tools also analyze liquidity risks and market depth, helping you make decisions based on the stability of the cryptocurrency market. 4. Track and monitor portfolio performance with AI. Once your portfolio is set up, it's crucial to monitor it regularly to ensure that it's performing according to plan. AI-driven tools like coin tracking and Coinly automatically track your crypto transactions, capital gains, and portfolio performance. These tools can help you optimize your strategy by providing regular updates and alerts about market trends. How to monitor your crypto portfolio with AI. 1. Set performance alerts for specific cryptocurrencies and assets in your portfolio. 2. AI tools will give you a comprehensive performance report and recommend any changes needed based on your risk tolerance. 3. Use machine learning to detect early warning signals for portfolio underperformance or opportunities to rebalance. Step 3. Regularly rebalance your portfolio using AI makes it easy to adjust your portfolio over time. As the market changes and new opportunities arise, rebalancing is essential for maintaining optimal growth. AI tools can automatically rebalance your portfolio and make necessary adjustments without you having to manually intervene. How to rebalance with AI. 1. Set periodic rebalancing goals, e.g., monthly, quarterly. 2. Let AI platforms track your portfolio's performance and adjust your holdings accordingly, adding or removing cryptocurrencies as needed. 3. Many AI tools will automatically buy and sell crypto assets to keep your portfolio balanced according to market changes. Final tips for using AI in cryptocurrency investment. 1. Stay informed. Combine AI-powered tools with news and analysis to stay ahead of the curve. 2. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies, projects, and sectors. 3. Monitor regularly. Even though AI helps automate many aspects of crypto investing, it's still important to monitor market conditions and re-evaluate your portfolio. 4. Long-term view. Remember that crypto markets can be volatile in the short term, but having a long-term view will help you navigate through market fluctuations. Disclaimer. The content presented in this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor or professional before making any investment decisions. The use of AI-powered tools should be considered carefully based on your individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment knowledge. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Stay updated with our latest content on AI-driven investment strategies and tools by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell.